Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. We're down here at CCRV where we sell American fifth wheels and some American caravans. Now we're going to do a little video here on a sort of bit of training that we do. We've got Kevin and Bernadette that have actually bought one off of us, so they've come down. This is not their unit that we're doing it on, but we've converted their truck and everything for them, so we can do a bit of a training, a bit of hooking up, driving, just to give you an idea the buying experience here at CCRV. So carry on watching and you might pick up some tips. Even if you watched all the videos, there's always some tips that you can learn. Right, what we got over here, here's a truck, Ford Ranger Wild Track. And what we're going to do is, this is one of our sales ones we've got here. We're going to do the video and training on that. Right, here's Dave. He's going to be head of training today. Hey Dave. Head of training today. And here's Kevin.
Hello.
He's our guinea pig. So let's see how we go. Right, here we go. We're going to do a bit of reversing hitching up first of all. Right, here's the hitch. This is how easy it's going to go. This is his first time he's done this. That should be. You hear that clonk? So if you turn the old handle over, Dave. If you hear that clonk, that's pretty much in. And the handle goes over to the other side there, and it's safely locked in. So that's you basically locked in. So what we'll do is, if you pull that out again, Dave, and then I'll have a look from the back. All right, go on. All right, if you just watch, this is him coming back. See the arm go across? And now, Dave, that clonk as it's gone in. Dave, if you just flip the handle over, and then the folks can see what actually holds it in. Right, it needs to go back a little bit. This is most important. There you go. See that bar come across? And then the handle goes over and we're locked in. See that bar go across there? Now we're locked in. Right, that's simply hooking it at, and now unhooking it is obviously opposite. So Dave will demonstrate that, pull that bar out. And now Kevin can just pull it off. There you go. And that's it coming off, as simple as that. Right, Kevin's now going to have a go on his own, just get it a little bit out of line, and he's going to have a go at bringing it back and hooking it up on his own. A good pointer is that middle headrest on the Ranger. If you get that pretty much lined up with the pin box, that's where you want to be. So this is his first attempt. So we'll see how he goes. You've got about 6 feet there, Kevin. That's it. Whoa, 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 about a foot. Right, now just take it steady. See, he's a little bit out. Now that might swing round, Dave. Just try it, Kevin, just come back. There you go. So that's gone in. Even if it was a little bit out, that slid in. Will that lock off, Dave? There you go, that's locked off. So even if a little fraction out, it will swing round and it will hook up. Did you look at the headrest, Kevin?
Yeah, I did, yeah. It's right in the middle, but it was maybe a little bit left.
Yeah, and that's the tips.
Yeah.
So basically, once you've unhooked it a few times, just look at the headrest or a point on the trailer and you'll get it every time. Okay, so rather than trying to look over your shoulder and all the rest of it.
I literally saw it, you could just see it, and I am a bit screwed with at the front.
Yeah, well done. Yeah, so we've got that one. Right, so what we've got to do now, let's have a look. Let's go in here. This is a laugh. Here's Bernadette with the dogs. Who's going to start barking first? Hey? Are you going to start barking first? This strange man. No, she's used to me now. Kevin's doing all right. He's getting all right going round and round. Well, here we are. We're doing a little bit of turning now, just to show you.
I can see the whole back panel.
Yeah, that will actually turn right inside of there, but always err on the sort of side of caution. You can see that will turn inside there. On these, the hitches are fixed with the Reese Revolution, so it gives you more turning. But that will do a 90 in there. But if the ground's a little bit uneven or you're rocking about or something, that's the best way to avoid cab strikes.
Take the lock off and then go straight
is to just take more shunts, really. They are up with 2445. That's what she is. Just left the handbrake on, I think. Alright, here we go. Off it goes again.
Minutes time. So if you go back, straighten your wheels up, go dead, other way, that's it. Other way, right. Now just go straight back to start with. Just keep it straight back like that. You haven't got to turn the wheels much at all to get it to turn the back. If you keep it coming back like that to start with, that's it, keep it like that. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right, if you just start turning now, put the right hand down, just a little bit, that's it. You'll see the trailer will start turning almost straight away. And that. When it's coming round too quick, just take the lock back off. Just take it back off. That's it. Right. Take your lock off again now. That's it. That's it. Then give it a right hand down, and then that'll bring the truck round, follow the trailer back. That's it. Keep it on that. That's it, that's pretty good. That's it. There we go. Yep. Just keep following back like that. So if you go a little bit of left hand down now, just straighten the, that's it, just straighten the trailer up. And then, that's it, right hand down, bring the truck round in line with the trailer. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Happy with
Do
that?
you want to unhook it? Should we just drop it off here?
Yeah.
And we'll see you here. Alright.
My turn.
Right, that's it.
Right, we've got it in there. It could have been a bit straighter, but it's his first go. So what I would normally do is go back a bit, and if you've got the room, and then just come forward, and that'll make a nice job of it. Bernadette's got the dogs there, supervising everything, and then they're going to drop the legs off. Let's have a look what we're doing.
Whoever's done it, they haven't been right through. And then the pin bends. So just make sure they're right through. When you, if they're like that, and then you put the weight on it, it'll crush it. And then you're fighting to get them in.
Okay.
So both things out. Right, tailgate down.
Do I not have to lift that? No.
Right, just if you put
Do
it down
that
there,
first, sorry.
You can see what you feel. Okay, so take your carabiner off.
How did that go, Kevin? Easier than you thought?
Yeah, a lot easier actually, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Lift your handle up now, so it's got to go dead upright. And then pull it dead upright, that's it, and then just pull it out.
Come on.
Right, you notice that? You jump in and reverse it up a bit, Dave. Right, no, that's the one thing. Now, notice this is the sort of things we do the training for.
Anywhere else, it has to
Yeah.
be upright.
I reckon you want to take the pressure off it, Dave?
Yeah.
Put it.
When you stop.
So what we have to do is, because there's a bit of pressure on the pins,
On the wedge. Right. Okay, so we have to just
we've either got to lift it up a little bit, or we've got to back the truck up a little bit just to take the pressure off it, see? So that's typically what we have when the first people sort of start to leave, is unhitching. So just tell him to hold on a second. Want to go a bit more, Dave? And just go up a little bit more on that bar, which you can see. Let's go here. We're extending, so we're going up a little bit more, take the weight off the truck. And you just see that bar just move there. So you just took the weight off of the hitch. Right, that should come out now. See that bar is right in the middle? Now it needs to come back a little bit. This is safety device on here, so he just takes the pressure off that bar.
Back you go.
Just take the pressure off, and that comes out easy. Right, that is one of the biggest things we have when people leave the site, is actually getting hitch off. So a little bit of light between the plates is necessary, which you can see there, just that little bit of light. And that bar is in dead centre, and that will come off easy as it should come off, nice and easy.
Take these out first.
Yep.
You all happy with that, Kevin?
Yeah, lovely, thank you.
Yeah, you got the hang of it? Well, but it's your turn now, Bernadette, yeah? Hey. What about you two? Do you want to have a go? We've always got loads of dogs. Look, they start beating each other up now. They start beating each other up now.
Sit down.
Hey?
I'm not listening.
They're two little toodles, that.
Sit down. Sit.
He's going to be the star of the show.
Sit.
Hey. So this is what we do down at CCRV. If you buy one from us, we try to help you out and get you on the road safely, give you full training. Any questions or anything you need answering, we'll do it here on the campsite. Again, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying next week to do one of me and Avril out on the road, so that will be worth watching. Yeah, we're going to start doing a series of camping ones, bit of wild camping, all that sort of thing, living off grid. We've got one here that's got some decent solar panels on it, so we'll try and live off grid, save people some money. 400 watt solar system, that's what we're going to do. Right, let's carry on with the video and we'll watch Kevin going round and round. Hopefully he don't get dizzy. I think that's why Dave's so thin, he's always running around the campsite.